I'm making this video because you need to know how to make money from home playing video games and about the platform I just found out about it. It's called Playtest Cloud. Sounds really good, to be honest. Literally, you're getting paid to do your dream, playing video games. But before I tell you how, you gotta make sure you give this video a like because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and when I wanna grow. And I wanna grow on YouTube. And one of the reasons why is we are a team of 3 people, me and 2 video editors, and we try to produce 1 to 3 videos every single day. People produce 1 to 3 videos a week. We do it per day because we wanna take over the niche. It needs to change. And you know what? I'll even shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is say something cool or say your Instagram account, YouTube account, TikTok account in the comments down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and just shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so the website that we'll actually review, and you can see it in the description down below, it's called Playtest Cloud. And basically what it does is it connects game developers and game developers tester. Because when a new game is about to come out, the developers keep pushing new updates, new changes, new gameplay, and this gameplay happens to have a lot of bugs. And they don't want to push out an unfinished project, and they need people to test out the features by just playing the game, as simple as that. So this is what this platform does, Playtest Cloud. And as you can see, they say that they are a one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, development, soft launch, and after release. And they've worked with a bunch of famous companies. How it works: set up your playtest in less than 5 minutes. We let the right target audience test your game if you're a developer. So we don't want to sign up as a developer. We'll click become a tester. So from here, what we can actually do is just write our email, name, some other explanation, which games do I play weekly. For example, Clash Royale, I have an iOS device, I have an iPhone XS, and I gotta select it, but okay, I'll just select the iPhone X. Come on, I wanna select it, XS. Oh, here it is, I have this, I just have one device. Which country do you live in? I live in Bulgaria, I'm a male, my birth date. I created my account and it says, thanks for signing up. We will let you know that the game developers we work with are mainly interested in players living in the USA, UK and Canada. In the future, we hope to expand to testing games with players from other countries. You probably might have an issue like this, and I'll tell you how to get away with it. You just gotta use a VPN. And I have a few VPN options for you in the description down below. And with them, you can actually change your VPN to one of those countries, USA, UK, Canada, and the VPNs I would recommend are AVC, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it, IVC, and also ExpressVPN. They're in the description. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, make sure you click the subscribe button. This is no financial or medical advice. Do your own due diligence. Results can vary. Remember that the video day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.